You may have heard of the superfood known as sea moss. Sea moss has been ingested for generations, despite its recent popularity as a supposed superfood due to the claims of its purported ability to improve one's immune system, skin health, and digestion. Limited as the study on sea moss may be, the seaweed has been said to have beneficial benefits like safeguarding the brain, bolstering the immune system, and assisting with digestion. As an added bonus, seaweed is well acknowledged as a rich resource for nutrients that promote health. Is there any truth to the claims made about sea moss? So, let's find out. What is sea moss? Sea moss is a species of the red algae found in the water called Chondrus crispus. It is also known as Irish sea moss, Irish moss, and Irish seaweed. Along the shores of Ireland, the Faroe Islands, and Iceland, you'll find this moss growing. The sea moss that is harvested from the water is utilized in numerous culinary applications, including ice cream, jellies, and alcoholic beverages. Naturally, it seems a dark purple or brown, but after being air-dried, it takes on a bright yellow or green hue. Purple, green, and gold sea moss are all available for purchase, and each color has supposedly been bred for specific purposes. Sea moss is said to include 92 of the 102 essential elements for human health. Minerals such as calcium, iodine, potassium iodide, potassium bromide, zinc, natural silica, and selenium may all be found in this food. Sea moss benefits. While sea moss may have some useful properties, research into such benefits has thus far been limited to laboratory settings or animal models. The seaweed's nutritional concentration is encouraging, but the exact ways in which Irish moss may benefit human health are yet unclear. 1. Aids digestion. Because of its prebiotic properties, Irish moss can alter the bacteria that live in our digestive tracts. Foods with a mucilaginous texture, like this one, aid in the transit of feces through the digestive system. Irish moss significantly altered the makeup of the microbiota in the intestines of rats, according to a study published in BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine. Based on these results, it has been proposed that sea moss can aid in better gut health and immunological regulation. It improved the ratio of good to bad bacteria and reduced the amount of hazardous germs like Streptococcus pneumoniae. 2. May boost neurological health. In particular, red seaweed's capacity to reduce oxidative stress has been studied for its potential neuroprotective properties. As a result, C. crispus has been suggested as a viable constituent in pharmaceutical applications for the development of innovative anti-neurodegenerative medications for human use. 3. Boosts immune function. According to a study published in Applied and Environmental Microbiology, red seaweed boosts human immunity and inhibits the production of chemicals used by bacteria, fungi, and viruses to cause disease. Although this was an in-laboratory study, the researchers believed that C. crispus may have beneficial effects on animal and human health. 4. Increases satiety. When Irish moss is mixed with water or other liquids, it forms a thick, sticky gel. The soluble fiber in it aids with digestion and satiety. If you're trying to lose weight, Irish moss may help you feel fuller after eating fewer calories. The theory is that sea moss functions like chia seeds and aloe, although there is no scientific evidence to support this. 5. May have anti-tumor effects. It has been suggested by several laboratory research that the albopolysaccharides in Irish moss have anti-tumor properties. No one knows for sure why this happens in the lab, but researchers have hinted that it has something to do with polysaccharides' capacity to boost the body's immunity and antioxidant activity. Risks and side effects. Sea moss may have beneficial effects on health and is likely to be harmless at recommended serving sizes. However, consuming too much Irish moss can lead to a dangerously high iodine level in the body. Too much iodine in the diet can lead to thyroid problems, so watch your intake. Talk to your doctor about reducing your iodine intake if you have Hashimoto's disease, thyroiditis, or any other condition associated with low thyroid function.